Hi guys, this is Kim from Night Owl Nursery, and we got a package today. This is our prize that we won from the contest that Reborn Mom to Trinity had. So if you guys aren't subscribed to her, you need to go check her out. So, anyway, I'm not going to, show any addresses or anything, and I'm not going to say her name, because I don't know if she might want that kept private. So, but anyway, so, oh, and by the way, it's so neat to see from the address that you're so close by. I was like, wow, that is really cool. So, that's exciting. But anyway, so she's put our prize in this beautiful cellophane bag with multicolored butterflies on it. Isn't that pretty? Let's see, open up here. And it has a little note inside. It says, "Thanks, Kim." Oh goodness, thank you. So I'm gonna just hold it up here. I won't read your name or anything. It says, "Hi. I really just want to say thank you for participating in my giveaway. I really hope you and your baby enjoy this small but from the heart gift. Thanks for being an awesome subscriber." And she says love and her name, and then it says, "Sending you and your babies hugs and kisses from Birmingham, Alabama. Enjoy." Oh, that is so sweet, darling. Well, thank you for allowing me to enter. And oh, my goodness, it smells so good. Girl, you'll have to tell me what kind of cologne or something, that whatever you sprayed on this letter, because it smells really good. Now, first of all, we have a 2-pack of Passies, a pink and a purple, and that is perfect because I love this color pink. It goes with so many things, and this shape Passy looks so pretty on the girls' faces. And I think I was looking through the other day, and I didn't hardly have any purple Passies. I think I got one in a contest giveaway from Miss Linda, and then I had one other one, so I could use more purple Passies, so that's really great. Now, let's see what else we have here. And y'all, for some reason today, I don't know, I can't talk. I have tried to make this video like probably 20 times. So y'all excuse me if I mess up, because I've had to restart it over before I could even get the package open. Like, I don't know what's wrong with me today. But anyway, oh, look at these little ladybug booties. How cute. Look, they're adorable. I saw them on the video, but they're so cute in person. Little red booties with little ladybug heads on them. Those are so precious. And I have a ladybug outfit, and I have a ladybug bottle, and I have a ladybug Passy, so that will be great. It will match all that stuff. And then here's a little bib, and it's got a little ladybug, and it says "Little Lady." Isn't that so sweet? Oh, well, this was a very special little gift, honey. It is very sweet, and I love it all, and I appreciate it so much. It is so fun to get to know each other through having contests and sharing videos with everybody. So, and I'll probably do another contest after the holidays. I don't know for sure if it's going to be a boy contest this time, or if it'll be, either or. Somebody can decide and I'll go buy something, or if I'll get 2 prizes. I don't really know for sure how I'll do it just yet, but it's always fun to have a contest, and it's sure fun to win them. But anyway, well, okay, thanks again, sweetie. I appreciate it so much, and I just want to tell you all to have a wonderful and blessed Thanksgiving, and I love y'all, and talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.